Welcome back to Car Look. Today, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. Toyota's entry-level SUV that's designed to bring SUV versatility to budget-conscious buyers without sacrificing the reliability and efficiency Toyota is famous for. This compact crossover has been updated for 2026 with some thoughtful improvements that make it even more appealing to first-time SUV buyers and urban commuters. The 2026 Corolla Cross maintains Toyota's contemporary design language while adding some fresh touches that help it stand out in the crowded compact SUV segment. The front fascia features a bold grille with a hexagonal pattern that's flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving it a more premium appearance than its price point might suggest. The bumper design incorporates functional lower air intakes and available fog lights that enhance both form and function. The side profile showcases clean, uncomplicated lines that emphasize the Corolla Cross's practical nature. The black plastic cladding around the wheel wells and lower body panels not only adds visual interest, but also provides protection against everyday wear and tear. The available 18-inch alloy wheels fill out the wheel wells nicely, though the standard 17-inch wheels still look proportional and help keep costs down. Around back, the design is refreshingly straightforward with wraparound taillights that extend into the tailgate, creating a cohesive look that's modern without being overly complex. The rear spoiler is subtle but functional, and the silver skid plate adds a touch of ruggedness that suggests capability, even if this isn't a hardcore off-roader. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that's been thoughtfully designed with everyday usability in mind. The cabin feels spacious for the vehicle's compact exterior dimensions, with good headroom and legroom in both rows. The materials are predominantly hard plastics, but they well fitted and feel durable rather than cheap. Soft touch surfaces are strategically placed on frequently touched areas like the armrests and door pulls. The dashboard is dominated by an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that includes standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The interface is intuitive and responsive, though Toyota has wisely retained physical controls for climate functions and audio volume. The instrument cluster combines analog gauges with a digital information display that provides all the essential driving information clearly. Seating comfort is surprisingly good, with supportive front seats that work well for longer drives. The rear seats offer adequate space for adults on shorter trips, though taller passengers might find headroom a bit tight. Cargo space measures 25.5 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 66.8 cubic feet with the seats folded down. Impressive numbers for this size and price category. The heart of the 2026 Corolla Cross is Toyota's proven 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 169 horsepower and 151 Nm of torque. While these aren't exciting numbers, the engine delivers smooth, predictable power that's perfectly suited to the vehicle's mission as an efficient urban runabout. The continuously variable transmission has been tuned to feel more natural than earlier CVT units, with less of that rubber band sensation under acceleration. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but Toyota's available all-wheel drive system adds confidence in challenging weather conditions. The AWD system can send up to 50% of power to the rear wheels when needed, though this is primarily designed for improved traction rather than serious off-road capability. Fuel economy is one of the Corolla Cross's strongest selling points, with EPA ratings of around 32 mpg combined for front-wheel drive models and 30 mpg combined with all-wheel drive. These numbers make it one of the most efficient SUVs in its class, perfect for budget-conscious buyers dealing with fluctuating gas prices. Pricing starts at approximately $25,000 for the base L trim, which includes Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, automatic climate control, and the 8-inch touchscreen system. The mid-level LE trim adds alloy wheels, upgraded upholstery, and additional convenience features for around $27,000, while the top XLE trim includes heated seats, wireless charging, and premium audio for about $29,000. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross succeeds by focusing on the fundamentals that matter most to practical buyers: reliability, efficiency, affordability, and everyday usability. It may not be the most exciting SUV on the market, but it delivers exactly what many buyers need in a package that won't break the bank or leave them stranded. That's our complete breakdown of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. Is this the right choice for budget-conscious SUV shoppers? Or would you spend a bit more for additional features? Share your thoughts in the comments and make sure to subscribe to CarLook for more honest automotive reviews.